Okay, same yapon here, you have the trapezius muscle, so upper, middle, pwede, ang katong mga very deep muscle, katong multifidus, rotatoris, levator costarum, everything, hindi na ito makita ng mga model because wala. Deep ahead, okay? So, here again, you have your trapezius, upper, middle, lower, traps. This one would be your latissimus dorsi. Anywhere gray, you have trapalumbar fascia. Okay, other muscle here, na-remove na superficial. This one was upper gamay, so rhomboids minor, rhomboides minor. This one, rhomboides major. Okay, then this one would be your serratus, posterior, inferior. Then this one as a whole, you have your erector spinae. So again, the most lateral, you have your iliocostalis. Sa middle, you have longissimus. Towards the midline, you have your spinalis.
Ang forma dito.
So, may mo?
Lahi na siya.
Oh, lahi man. Every person, lahi man said unique. Joke. Never work, never work. Ayan na. And then here at this area here, again, which muscle?
Kapitis.
Spinalis. Spinalis.
This one, ay more mentioned as and straight. So you have your semispinalis capitis. Then this one, yung more ni oblique, so you have your splenius capitis. Semispinalis capitis, splenius capitis. And this muscle towards the scapula, levator scapulae. Okis, wala ko yung namin.